Hey, it's Josh Sanford here. I'm America's attorney, and I'm one of your attorneys in the case against Flash Market. I'm bringing you this update today because about 90 days ago, I told you that I would. And I was so hopeful back then that I would have a substantive update for you, meaning that there would be news. But there's not a lot of news. So let me bring you up to speed. When we reached out to you in May, what we told you was that Flash Market had filed approximately 5 motions, which is just legalese for a written argument, asking the court to do certain things, mostly to try to prevent you guys from getting money. Now, we wrote our responses to their arguments, and we are waiting on the court to rule on those motions, and we don't know what the rulings will be or when they will come. However, one of the motions is very significant to every single person in this case. That motion is called a motion to decertify. And what that motion intends to do is take this case, which has about 600 people in it, and break it up into separate cases. The reason that matters to you is that if the case is broken up, it doesn't mean that you don't have a claim or that you're not owed money. It means that you have to be ready to move forward in a separate case. Now, if you've opted into this case and you have not signed a contract with us, if the case is decertified, you need to have a contract with us. Now, some of you have signed up with us, not just the consent to join, but after that, a contract so that you can move forward with us. You've signed up with us and you know you've signed up with us. Some of you have not signed a contract with us and you know you haven't signed a contract with us. And some of you are like, I don't really know, I don't remember, and that's fine. If you have not signed a contract with us, but you still want money from Flash Market, or if you don't know if you've signed a contract with us, but you still want money from Flash Market, you, 2 categories of people, I'm talking to you right now. You need to email this address, marley@sanfordlawfirm.com, and she will send you a representation agreement. We're not asking you to send us money. This is a way for you to sign up with us so that we can move forward with you in case there is decertification. There's 2 other things I'd like you to do. I would like you to go down below and hit the subscribe button and the bell notification button so that you stay connected to our law firm so that you know what sorts of things we are thinking about and talking about here. And number 2, if you've had a job since you worked at Flash Market and you were mistreated, something happened to you that you thought was unfair, we want to talk to you, because in those instances, you're sometimes owed money. And we give consultations that are both free and confidential. I would love to say that we'll have an update for you in a couple months, but I don't know that that's true. We don't know when the judge is going to rule. So what I'm telling you right now is that we're going to reach back out to you in 4 months, which is January of 2023, or, and stay with me here, the judge could rule before then, and if we have an update we can give you before January, we certainly will.